From a piece of spalted ash and a glass tube, I'll be making a modern wooden vase with a glass insert. This combination makes the vase suitable for both dry arrangements and fresh flowers. So let's get started. The first step is turning the rough piece of spalted ash into a cylinder. On the left side of the cylinder, I cut a tenon that will be used for holding the piece in the chuck during the next steps. On the right side of the cylinder, I simply drew up the surface. For the next step, we mount the chuck head on the lathe. I mark the size of the vase with a small reference cut. We roughly shape the outer form of the vase. Before drilling the hole in the vase, I remove the remaining excess material. For drilling the hole in the vase, I use a bit slightly larger than the diameter of the glass tube. This ensures the tube can be removed easily later, so the water can be changed without any trouble. The hole should be deep enough that the glass insert doesn't disappear completely into the wood, but stays slightly raised. This makes it easier to lift out when needed. We refine the vase into its final shape. I smooth the outside of the vase with the skew chisel, which allows me to avoid extra sanding afterward. In the next step, we shape the very top edge of the vase. We start forming the base on the lower part of the vase. As the first step of the finish, we apply a coat of wax oil, enhancing the wood's natural texture and creating an initial protective layer. Once the oil has fully absorbed into the wood, we can apply the final coat using beeswax. By polishing the wax, we spread it evenly and achieve a clean, refined shine. All that's left is to part the vase from the base and sand the bottom smooth. The vase is now complete. All that remains is to insert the glass tube and arrange the flowers. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more projects like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.